Hey everyone! Have you ever tried searching for someone on Telegram using their numerical user ID? You know, that long string of numbers, only to type it into the main search bar and realize absolutely nothing happens? It's super confusing, and a lot of people get stuck here. The truth is, Telegram's standard search bar only looks for public usernames starting with an @ symbol, not raw numerical IDs. But don't worry, you aren't completely out of luck. Today, I'm going to show you the exact workarounds you can use to track down or interact with a user if all you have is their ID number. Let's dive right in. First off, let's clear up a quick misconception so you don't waste your time. Every single account on Telegram has a unique, permanent numerical ID behind the scenes, like a string of 8 to 10 digits. However, Telegram's search engine doesn't index those numbers for direct privacy and security reasons. If you type a raw number into the global search bar, the app just looks for public channel names or usernames containing those digits, which usually leads to a dead end. To actually find or open a chat using an ID, you need a quick assist from a bot or a direct web link structure. So what's the fix? How do you actually use that ID? Your best option is using a utility bot or a specialized lookup tool designed for Telegram. Bots like @UserInfoBot are great for finding your ID or getting info on forwarded messages. And that's the reality of dealing with Telegram IDs versus usernames. Next time you're stuck trying to track down an account, ask them for their public username instead. It's also important to be careful when using third-party bots or websites that claim they can find anyone from a Telegram ID. Avoid services that ask for your Telegram login code, password, or other sensitive account information. If this quick tip cleared up the confusion for you, hit that like button and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.